So guys, this is our finished product, the one that we repaired yesterday. You see this? This is repair. Without Majun, without body filler or anything. We repair it only. And then we paint it with a matte. And then this is the damage yesterday. See, as you see. This is matte black with a glitter effect. You can see in the light, there's a glitters. See? We paint this one already also. This one. It's a damage here. A damage here. And here. And then this plastic also, we repair this without any fiber margin or fiber or body filler. We didn't put anything. We just repair this with a PDR, with a plastic. And then the texture, we also return that one. We paint this one also here until here. This we painted only half. We didn't paint anything here. Only this one. This is the damage. This accident is here, and the big one accident is here. At this side. See this side? This is the big accident. It's come inside there. And then we paint it also half. We not paint it full. But this is the same color. See that? This is the M Hero. This is paint, 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 and this one is paint also. Now we need to fix this one for assemble. This one also is broken. We repair this also. Now we will return this fender liner. Okay. So thank you guys. Also guys, we have a rims. This is the rims that we repair. We remove it all. This is two color now. We paint. And also now I'm putting I think a 15 nm torque on this. I'm assembling this one. You see? See this one. This is it. Our finished product. So this is the M Hero. Okay guys, thank you. Our next project is the Corvette. Now we are on preparation of this Corvette. And then our next is this Ferrari. The Ferrari. I already removed the accessories, the light, the bumper. And then this sneaky. Okay. Okay guys, thank you. I need to finish this all. Just a reminder guys, if you are fixing this one, put a mark like that, like this one. If you tight this one, put masking tape. If you tight this one, put masking tape. So there will be no hassle. So you can remember that you fix it all like this. Okay. This is the one I paint. Now I will put this. The one we paint now, we will put sealant here. Sealant. And this one also. This tree is already finished. Okay guys, thank you.